In today's video, I'll show you how you can cancel your Spotify free trial. So here's what you need to do. So you can't actually do this inside of the Spotify app. So what you need to do is go and open up the Spotify website, which I've already got opened here. So come to spotify.com and log into your Spotify account. So we're going to click login here. Then enter in your username and password and just log into your account. So once you're logged in, we can just scroll down. And you should see your current plan, which will be Spotify Premium, because you're on the free trial. Now what you need to do is click on Change Plan. And what's going to happen here is it's going to give you a list of all of the different plans that you can get on Spotify. We're not interested in any of them, we just want to scroll all the way down to Spotify Free. And here what you can do is click on Cancel Premium. And then it's going to say, are you sure you want to cancel your subscription? Click Yes, Cancel. And then you're never going to be billed for Spotify Premium, and you're going to keep the free trial until 30 days later. So I hope that video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.